Hello friends, today we will going to start an scam in 1980. Okay, this is the 19 series, and here first of all we have to click over this create operation, and in create operation the first is mill planner. So in mill planner, if you want to create any operation for the planner surface, we will use this planar milling. There are so many sub options are here. We will cover all of this operation which are available under this mill planner. And my first operation is this floor facing without wall. So this is the operation if you want to uh, create any facing operation on any prismatic part. For that we need one program, at least one tool, and geometry and the method. So first I'm going to define all these things, then we will select this operation. So first cancel it, and this is my part, and under this geometry view we have this workpiece and MCS mill. This MCS mill is a machine zero. Double click over it, and where you want to keep this, just go and select. Okay, where you want, suppose I want at this point, so we can click by this, or we have any other option like this dynamic. I want at this point, so MCS will come at this point. Okay, so I'm going to try to keep my MCS at the top of this part, and my clearance plane is 10, and I will show you what is this clearance plane means. After cutting, the tool will retract up to the 10 millimeter from the top plane. Okay, so click it. Okay, so my first step is done. Now my second step is to define a workpiece. Under workpiece we have to define two things. First is a part. So this is my part, this is the reference part. So click OK, and see this display will highlight you the part or your selection geometry. And next is blank. Blank is the stock material from which I want to cut. So this is my blank geometry. No, I want to keep this bounding block. So this transparent red color shows the bounding block. This is the bounding block, means from this stock I'm going to create like this reference part. For that I'm going to select so many operation. Okay, so size are this is the bounding block, and I want to do the facing operation, so there must be a value, then only it will come. Okay, see, if you will drag this like so, it will move in all directions. So keep it 0, it will come, and if you will enter 2, so it will move upside. So here I'm going to increase this 37, so it is increasing here. Keep it 2. Now see, the 2 mm is extra on this top face, so I'm going to create a facing operation to remove this extra material from the top. Okay, display blank. So blank is display, and if you don't want to display the blank, just remove this and click OK, and see, this is the blank. Okay, so my part and the blank both are defined. Now I have to select a tool. For tool, here we have create tool, and my type is mill planner because I'm going to use mill planner facing milling. So this will come under mill planner, and here so many tools are there. You can create by your own, or we can retrieve the tool from the library. So from this I'm going to select face milling indexable tool. Okay, and click OK, and see, here we have preview and display. This is the tool. Okay, and any other, just click, it will display you the tool from the library. These all tool are available in the library of this annex. So I have selected. After selection, just cancel it. Don't click OK. Just cancel it. This is my tool. I want to do the facing operation with the help of this tool. So here my operation navigator here in program order view, this program folder is my working. So I will keep this operation under this program. So click here. My operation is this floor facing without wall. So I want to face this upper portion without wall, and location is this program. So under this it will come. Next my tool is this one, tool is this, and my geometry is this workpiece. Okay, and the method by default it will select only finishing operation. If you will define, then only it will go for the roughing or semi finish. Okay, so keep it just like the method. Okay, here this window will come, and from the main, see the tool is defined. Now specify cut area flow. So I want to cut this face. Okay, and my method is zigzag, so zigzag pattern will come. And final flow stock, you want to keep some material on this top of face, then enter it, otherwise keep it 0. And the stock for the part, this is the same as we can define here. And the blank, and blank I'm going to use this blank geometry. The blank geometry is a part geometry which we have created in this workpiece. Okay, so that is the blank boundary, and rest of these two options we will see, no problem. And my step over is 50% of tool diameter, so the tool is 43, so half of 43 will be the step over. And the depth of cut, here we have 2 mm material which we have to cut, so I'm going to use 0.5 as a depth of cut. Now generate. Let's see the toolpath first. Now I will explain you. This is the 50% of tool diameter, this is step over, and the depth of cut is, this is the depth of cut which is 0.5. And let's see, 0.54 times will be the 2 mm, and we are going to finish it. And now click it verify in replay or in 3D dynamic, see the result. Now this floor is finished. Okay, if you will keep some material, so we have to enter here 0.5. Now generate. It will left 0.5 mm material over the top of this face. Okay, still here we have some material which is zero point 0.5. If you want to analyze, just click this analyze. After generating the 3D dynamic review, then you have to click, and from this point I'm going to click over the space. So 0.5 is the material which is available here, or with this color limit you can match. So I don't want any material, so keep this 0 and generate. Workpiece is my working geometry, this one. That's why this floor facing is coming under this workpiece. And tool axis, if the tool axis is normal to the first face, the tool is coming normal to the first face. My first face is this top face. Okay, and coolant, if you want to on this coolant, just on from there. And feed and speed, cut region, this is a blank outline, so it is cutting all the body. Okay, and rest of the option we will see in upcoming videos. Click this. Okay, so this is the first operation, floor facing.